Welcome to We Be Jellin'. I'm making a batch of ginger ahi tuna poke. Here's my simple ingredients. Just some green onions, Hawaiian salt, ginger. I add to all my poke recipes, I use a mixture of white and black sesame seeds, which I grind. And for this recipe, the sauce consists of oil. I choose to use avocado oil over olive oil or canola oil. That's just my preference. Let's get started. Right here is the poke cubes I use that I get from the local chef store, formerly known as Cash and Carry. It's about a pound per package. I'm making a pound and a half. I'm also doing a separate video on spicy ahi tuna, so I'm using 3 bags or 3 packs, so I can make a pound and a half of each. The first important step when using these frozen ahi cubes is to, well, obviously take it out of the bag. But what I do first is I put it on some paper towel, and then I will let the water drain a little bit, and then I'll kind of mix it together with using the paper towel to dry off each cube and make sure the ahi is nice and dry. Okay, once the ahi is dry, I add my 3 base ingredients that I add to all my poke recipes: the red Hawaiian salt, or the alai salt, and then I add ground white and black sesame seeds. And then I just stir that up, get it mixed really well. It's kind of to taste. I tend to go a little heavy just because I want that nutty flavor from the sesame seeds. For me, it's my alternative to using inamona or kukui nut, or also known as candle nut, which is kind of hard to get here in the Northwest. I mean, you can get it, but it's a little pricey, so I've chosen to use sesame seeds instead. Obviously, it's not the same, but still, it gives it a flavor that I really like on my poke. And as I said, I'm making 2 batches today. There'll be 2 separate videos. So this batch of ahi cubes will be split in 2. And I'll be making spicy ahi tuna as well as a ginger ahi tuna. I have separated the poke cubes into 2 separate bowls, to which I'll add the respective sauces. I used 8 stalks of scallion or green onion, the white part and part of the green that's still a bit thicker and more dense, not like the tubular leafy part. And then some ginger, good chunk of ginger, grated it, and then took the knife to it and diced it a little more. And then I just added some avocado oil, and then I'm just gonna stir this all up together. And depending if you want something spicy or not, the ginger usually gives it a nice amount of heat, you know, a different type of heat than chili pepper. But if you want, you can add red chili flakes. I'm not gonna add red chili flakes today. That's basically the sauce, and then I'll mix it into the ahi. Here you have it, the finished product of my ginger ahi poke. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Keep on gelling.